In this activity, we're going to write a program that really does something.
This video is brought to you by ObbyPies Academy.
You're going to enter some data into the program. Then the program's going to store that data in a dictionary. That data is then going to be analyzed by the program using some tools that are provided in Python, and that analysis will be output to the user. So this is a program that really does something cool, and I think you'll feel pretty satisfied when you get it working. So let's run the program, which I call GPA's lab. So in the program, the user is queued to enter a number of student names and corresponding GPAs. So I'll enter my name in 2.95, Smith 2.05, Rogers 3.77, Messer 4.0. Let's do Lilith, and let's give Lilith a 3.45. Just a couple of more. Johnson, let's say 2.2, and Gold, let's say 3.05. Enter X to exit, and now we get, first off, all of the GPAs sent back to us. So there's Rogers, Johnson, Lilith, Smith, Gold, Messer, and Lassoff. And notice again, not in order because it's a dictionary. And now we get an average GPA calculation of 3.067. The highest GPA is 4. The lowest is 2.05. And the median, which is different than the average, is 3.05. So that's the analysis that's done and brought back to the user. Now, I've done this lab activity a little bit differently than the previous ones. I've given you the output, some hints, and then I've told you to have at it, because I really want you to try and write the code on your own. This will likely be the most difficult lab you've completed yet in the course. So first off, I told you import the NumPy library. So you're going to use import NumPy, that's numbers in Python, NUMPY, and then you can use that to calculate the median. NumPy.median, and then whatever you're calculating the median on here, such as a list. I also showed you how to loop through a dictionary using a for loop with both key and value in the dictionary. Don't forget the dot items, and also how to create an empty dictionary. You do know enough to do this. It's going to be some work. If you get stuck, don't hesitate to take a look at the suggested answer set. Don't copy it line by line, but examine the code and then try and write similar code on your own to get this to work. Good luck with the lab. I know you'll do great.